Advocate Fadzai oyani mvunzo wasina kudziwisa kuti why is it my protesters yesterday they were allowed kuimba vasinga intimidatiwi kana kubatiwa, but they are the main opposition specifically inotungimbira vanhu Advocate Nelsonchamisa vangade vakatokambayiriswa pasi nemabvi nemagokora vakaintimidatiwa nekutochewa. Stand up namashuka anobuda chitogwa panapa from the horse mouth. Kuti subscribe all icon on the bell icon. Tipina pahindo yafadzai rabuda nyora chiti there is an unpopular truth that is missing in the discourse. If the main opposition had organized a protest, key actors would have been abducted and tortured well ahead of the protests. Any conveners would have been arrested on bogus charges. CIO agents would have been stalking people's cars. They would have remained in jail for hundreds of days with no bail. The whole reason Jameson Timber and over 70 others were tortured and arrested in because the regime thought they were planning a protest ahead of the Sadc summit. Amos Chibaya, Jobwa Scala, Ngadziwore, the MDC trio, Joanna Mamombe, Comrade Hombe, amongst others. I could go as there are numerous examples of this. While there may have been police on the street yesterday, we did not see the usual arbitrary arrest, beatings, torture, abductions, and prolonged illegal detentions we normally see when the opposition plans or is thought to be planning a protest. There is something that hits differently when people aligned to Nelsonchamisa plan any protest against the mass poverty, injustice, and corruption of ZANU-PF. We need new leaders. Anoposta some pictures evidence amuri kuona achiti aiwa denge rimene opposition yangofungidzirwa kunzi irida kuita protest kusiri kuti vapinda muroad pangade pakatoitwa motor vehicle checks kungade kwatobatwa vanhu vaitofungidzirwa CIO angade akatoiswa in place akatotanga kutobata vanhu vanenge vari aligned to those protests. But when it comes to the only ruling party ZANU-PF vachiva panapa vamuri kuona nageza vari kukola up for action vanokoya vanhu vachingobabatsirwa vachitadza kubatiwa. Equation inenge ichiswa panapa naAdvocate Fadzai achiti I need an explanation because zvinhu hazvisinyatsondimekera sense. Tudze mafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro peanalysis inoitwa naAdvocate Fadzai pinai comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.